Ride with the wind.
Hi, this is Hugh from Desert One Harley-Davidson. We're here with our bike of the week this week, which is a gorgeous 2016 CVO Limited in a beautiful two-tone gray paint with a pinstripe. As you can see, CVOs, for those that don't know, stands for Custom Vehicle Operation. That's Harley's top-of-the-line motorcycles. Very unique, very limited. They have a larger engine, 110-inch Screaming Eagle engine in gray instead of the traditional wrinkle black. Loaded with all the chrome that you could possibly add on a motorcycle. They also come with bags, pull-out bags for each one of the saddlebags. It comes with a custom CVO limited cover, which is right there. This motorcycle has a tuner built in. Very good condition. Again, it's a 16. Beautiful paint. Previous owner added the drink holders down there by the rear saddlebags. Very good condition. Water cooled, so 14 and later were water cooled, so the heads are water cooled. Very big advantage in the Arizona heat. So it's a beautiful bike. My name's Hugh. Come down and see me and take it for a test ride.
Desert Wind Harley-Davidson.